money, fireworks, pornography, and cheese. The highway, America's love affair with road trips. The slowest way of getting there, know that steamships. But steamships cannot get you across Wisconsin. It's not slow, it's just way too long. Are we there yet? Harleys in the summer, snowplows when it snows, trailers filled up to the brim with junk, buses, milk trucks, looting vans, SUVs with Packer fans, rusty cars with beer strapped to the trunk, smoke bombs and M80s, anal lesbo nurses, cheese of almost every sort but brie. You could live without this stuff, but you don't really want to. Fireworks, pornography, and cheese. Money's gone and so's your gas. You can't escape Wisconsin. Your car's filled with explosives, food, and sleaze. You didn't mean to buy it all, but you just had to go there.